Hey everyone, I want to take a quick tutorial video on how to install the climate controls, how to move them over, move the buttons and the motherboards over to the new system. As you can see, this is the 14-inch screen right here. So when you install our 14-inch screen, or any F150 screen, you'll have to move over the climate controls, right, from the original trim to the new system. So in this case, there are some gears behind the temperature knob. You have to watch out for those gears, make sure that they're aligned properly. So before we get started, you want to make sure that the temperature is set exactly to the middle. Alright, because if you mess up this installation of the controls, then the max AC and the max defrost will not work properly, okay? They are toggled by simply going beyond, like, I'm just pushing it and it bounces back, right? There's a spring action there. Anyways, you have to align the gear behind the motherboard to make sure that both max AC and max defrost work. So in this case, when you start to uninstall the climate controls, you want to put everything to the middle. Put the temperature settings straight in the middle. And then you want to pull out the climate controls. So remember to watch the entire video all the way before you get started. So once you pull off this from the original car, turn this one around, make sure you never move this one. Don't change the setting at all. Keep it here in the middle always. You can move it when you finish installing the radio back into the car, the new screen. So here we have the board over here. I'm going to zoom in for you. So here we have the gears I was referring to earlier. So as you can see, when you change the temperature setting, it's going to mess up the gear alignments, okay? If you look closely, when we try to do max AC, this is how the hole in the gear will be. And if you try to do max defrost, it'll be over here, right? So again, these gears need to be aligned properly. And another way to know from behind if they're aligned, before you pull it out, of course, this is original, right, is the two holes at the bottom here, right? If you can see, there's another hole on the board there. So this is how I usually do the installations for the manual climate control F150s, right? So put this one dead straight in the middle, right, in the middle, and then turn it around, and you'll see that the hole on the gear and the hole on the PCB board is aligned, right? So now we're going to take all the screws out. We're going to take the screws out from here as well, and then we're going to move the board and the physical buttons onto the new system. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. This video is only to focus on the gear on the manual climate control. All right, we've taken the screws out. Now we're gonna move this board to the side for now. So remember this, watch out. You don't want to turn this gear. Right now it's a little bit loose, right? You don't want to mess with this one, okay? Try your best to not touch the black gear. Just want to touch the board and move it to the side. So I want to focus over here where our buttons are. We're gonna move the buttons to the new system over here, right? So over here we have the temperature, the knob to change the temperature. So as you can see over here, that knob is moving, right? This knob moves depending on what temperature you set it on, right? So remember, we want to keep this one straight, dead center, okay? Not to the left, not to the right, in the middle. And then you want to place it here. Don't touch the temperature, okay? Don't change the temperature knob. Don't change the setting there. Now set it down over here. Here's perfect. All right, we're gonna grab the rest of the buttons over here in the knob. Here's the one the heated seats, turn on or off the climate controls, the feed ventilation, defrost, whatnot. Push this one over here. These buttons require the rubber membrane, right? Transfer this one too. Then you got the fan speed. This one doesn't really matter. You only want to be extra cautious with the temperature knob dial. Of course, then you want to grab this piece over here. Again, make sure it's the holes here align. Try to make the hole on the gear align with the hole on the board. See my fingers on the other side? Something like that is good. Okay. And then you want to press it down. You want to place it down over here. See, now I move the temperature setting at the bottom, which moves the small gear, which then moves the big gear. So as long as the temperature setting, the knob, the dial, is set to the middle, dead center, and then the hole on the gear is aligning with the hole on the PCB motherboard, then you're good. This will you can finish the installation. You can put the screws back in, put the backplate back in, install the unit, and test the climate controls. You can test the defrost and test max AC. Test those, and if they're fine, then you've done a good job with this part. But as long as you follow the steps in the video and you take extra caution, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. I'll try to get a better angle. If you lift the board up, then you can move this one a bit. So let's say it's incorrect. Let's say you have it like this. I mean, the holes do not align with the hole at the bottom. They're not aligning, right? So that's fine. You can always lift the board up a little bit before you put the screws in, and then put it back down. All right. Let's see here. There it is. All right. So right now I'm purposely doing it the wrong way, so you can see what it looks like when it's the wrong way. But also letting you guys know that if it's wrong, you just lift the board up with your finger and move the gear a bit. Just rotate it a little bit, and then try to put it back down. There you go. And there you have it. This is well aligned. You can see this one is lined and won't turn because the gear over there. The gear, this gear is stopping it from moving. Once the gears are aligned, the two black gears are aligned, and you got the holes are corresponding to each other, then you can proceed and put the screws in and finish the installation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.